All right, if there's gonna be fish, they're gonna be over here. Spinning rods today. Half everywhere, so they could be anywhere. Whoa. Dude, you just, oh. Woo! Oh! Yep! Number 3 for me, guys. Actually. There we go! Dude, climb out there! You're caught on the tree! Alright, what do you guys think about the boat? So you guys' first time out?
Yeah.
Is it awesome?
Yeah.
You guys excited? We kind of tied up. We came out and tied up to this pillar right here. We're just gonna throw around, maybe cruising around this other pillar and just cast by that. Try to catch us some smallmouth or whatever really bites. We got a Ned rig on, so you never know what's gonna bite on this thing.
We might catch a catfish.
You could. Shay caught a catfish yesterday on a top water.
I just saw the big fish jump over there.
Did you? We need to catch a pillar monster. I know there's one down here. I know he's down here, Harper. Oh! What? My goodness! I just saw a pillar monster. I'm not even joking. There was a big fish just chilling right here.
Catch it!
Yeah, let's keep casting right down here.
No, we are doing that now. And we're catching a big miller.
Pillar monster.
Pillar monster? Well, right there, right there!
Oh! Got him! What? Oh!
What? What now?
Dude, that was a slab crappie.
What?
Shay! I just missed a crappie. Like that big, dude. It was like the biggest crappie I've ever seen. There's crappie by these things.
Get the dad. Get the same crappie, Daddy. Super fast.
I'm gonna try to throw up by those gates up there. That's where they're hanging out.
They're trying to get into the fence.
Oh, I got one. Oh, he came off. He came off. Look at, oh, it was snagged. Look at that. They're so thick in there. Look at the scale, bub. You can keep it. So I snagged a carp and I hooked a crappie on a Ned rig. There we go. I don't know what.
What is it?
I don't know. Oh, nice smallmouth. Yeah. Yeah, nice smallmouth. Oh, he's not that big. He's all right though.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. Maybe you should start throwing the Ned rig. There we go! For Smalley! He's not bad.
No, he's not.
I thought he was bigger. He like didn't come up for a while. That worked, that little, because I'm out of Ned rig, so that little thing worked. Sweet.
Nice.
Awesome, guys. First little fish. Me and the wifey, high five. Found it. Alright, let's let this guy go. Oh, we should have took a picture with him. Dang it. Right when it got to the bottom, he hit it. Smalley, guys. Oh, another one just tried to come up and eat it out of its mouth.
Seriously?
Yeah, I just saw him come up. One just came up and flashed on him. Yes!
Okay, now I need to...
They're up there, babe. They're really close, and they literally, like, if you let it sink and go to pop it and there's weight, set it. Like, set it right away. Because that's how I was catching them yesterday, too. Look at that, right on the top of the mouth. Another one. Beautiful fish. They're really pretty. Little chunky guy. You let them freaking get down in the rocks, dude. You gotta keep them up. You gotta keep them up. Oh. Keep the pole up. Those things dig. That's they try to get back down in those rocks. Woo! There we go. There's the first smallie. Actually, not the first smallie today. Third smallie today. Got some at the other lake. Look how like short, fat. He's like a little football dude. My goodness. They just don't get long here. They just get like round. I was literally kind of just dragging that.
Yeah.
And like shaking it like real slow as we were just like kind of sitting here. Like I was working it real slow instead of like popping it harder like we were doing. Walleye. Yep.
Oh,
Nice. It's pretty good eater size.
yeah.
Yeah. I don't know if there's a limit on him.
12 inches.
Is it?
Yeah.
He's 12 inches for sure. Well, that was the first cast of that, so I'm assuming we'll probably catch some more with this. Might be the deal on some crankbaits. If I catch some more, I'll throw a crankbait on for Shay. And just grabbing the tails and pulling our pants down. Look at that little something. We need to tie him on for bait.
Yeah.
Just
Just keep him on there.
I don't know if there's anything big enough to eat this thing in here. Just keep him on there. Got pretty little thing. Look at the colors on that. Shay caught a fish finally. Not the right species though. Not the species that we're targeting.
Dang it.
We were trolling the crankbait and I gave it to Shay and he got hit.
Thank you.
Oh nope, just some grass. Shay's luck right now is just freaking horrible. Oh my gosh, guys, so we just came back in this cove and we were trying to figure something out for some bass here. I'm throwing this crankbait around. Look what I just caught. Oh my goodness, I lost one of these earlier today and my luck, another one would come back. That is freaking a behemoth.
Big old crappie, dude. Dang.
Jeez. Dude, we would have a fish fry going on right now if we kept them walleyes. Look at the size of that slab. I mean, he's not gigantic, but I mean, he's nice sized crappie. Holy cow, look at the size of his mouth. He tried to eat that crankbait, dude.
Yeah.
Wow. That is a slab crappie. That gets me going. Okay, now I'm a little warmed up, guys. He came off those trees, Shay. I ran the crankbait right by those trees. Yeah. Yep. Maybe I should tie you a crankbait on. Okay, all we caught in the cove was the crappie. We made a move over to the island to see if we can get anything on the backside of this, and then we might make a move to go catch small or largemouth again, because we're not really having any luck anywhere else. What do you think, Shay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I found a sunfish.
Yeah. We might throw some chatterbaits on and go run the cattails. Beef sticks for dinner. Made it over to the creek arm. Hoping to find some largies now. I'd really like to know where that storm's moving, which way that storm's moving. Alright guys, well this storm, I don't know, we can't tell if it's getting closer. But if it is, we gotta get the heck out of here. So we're gonna move down this rock wall pretty quick and try to evacuate. Storm came kind of out of nowhere.